Hi Rajesh.
Hi sir, how are you sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Doing great sir.
Okay, Rajesh. And where are you from?
I'm from Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh.
Karnool, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And about your family?
I belong to a nuclear family sir, and my family consists of 4 members. My father, mother and elder sister and me. And my father works as a government employee. And my mother is a homemaker. And elder sister got married.
And what is your educational qualification?
I hold a bachelor's degree in business administration sir from St. Joseph Degree College.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC Institute?
I came across SPC through Instagram Reels sir. And I attended the demo section and I decided to join in SPC.
Okay. And ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు ఇక్కడ 2 months training లో?
ఇక్కడ I gain knowledge in fundamentals of accounting sir, and financial statements, investment banking operations, and I also improved my communication through jam section and group discussions sir, and it helped me a lot to communicate.
Okay. Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
I got placed in Coaxis sir, and the interview rounds was 3 HR personal interview and 2 technical rounds.
Okay.
In HR personal interview, they mainly focused on communication, and coming to the technical round, they focused on core subjects, and they asked nearly 20 questions, and I able to answer 18 of them questions.
Okay. Fine. ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్న ట్రైనింగ్ ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ అయిందా నీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు?
Communication, sir. In SVC, I mainly jam sessions and group discussions helped me a lot to improve my confidence and speaking skills.
Okay. Fine. And when you are going to join?
After 4 days, I got a call, sir, and my joining is Monday, sir, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.